What's up, everybody? It is Sully, and it is time for another Back Cove 390 build update part 2 for Boston Yachts. We're heading over to the yard now. We're going to go check on the status, see how TJ's making out. I know he's got a lot of wire runs and a lot of stuff going on, so let's go check it out. All right, guys, welcome back on board, like I said, for part 2 of this build. Not only are we doing all the electronics and everything, but we are also doing the full make ready. Part of that full make ready means doing things like the bright work on here. So in this case, this boat's going to go with the all oiled look. Ike's going ahead. He's going to get a couple, 2-3 coats on there and get this all ready so that it's ready to go. It's just another nice option to have instead of just doing a high gloss varnish. It's another good option you can do in that. So we've got that going on. And TJ's also been hard at work, and if I'm being honest, I'm really kind of surprised he hasn't throttled me yet, because look at all this spaghetti we got going on here, guys. All that wiring down there. Talked with TJ. He said he had to run over 40 wires up into the hardtop, from the hardtop down between wires, networks, communications, lighting, all those kind of things. It's a lot of wire pulls back and forth on here, and you can't just pull 40 wires at one time. You got to break them down into smaller groups and be able to break them out and label them and get everything done. And that's what we've got here. As you start to see, we've already started to put labels on all of these wires in here. So we're going to have all of that taken care of as well. So we've got a lot of that going on because, like I mentioned in the previous video, this is getting Lumishore interior lighting as well as the cockpit and underwater lighting as well. So we've got all of that going on right there. You see over here, we started on the helm layout, and this is going to get a pair of the 86 16s. They fit really nice right in there. We're going to go ahead, we're going to network that into the Mercury SmartCraft display like we mentioned before, so it's going to allow us to do our go-tos, not auto guidance, but our go-tos for the Mercury autopilot, tying that in with the Garmin system there. See over here, more wire pulls, more things going on. We've gone ahead, we pull the TV out of here. It's just easier. We can get good access in there to run everything. The Apple TVs are going to live behind there for the salon TV. We've got all of our RCA cables running back and forth because we've gone ahead and we've actually upgraded. This stereo is going to come out, and the RA770 is going to go in. And then we also have multiple amps from JL Audio, and all of the speakers are being replaced, and we are upgrading those with the JL M6 speakers as well. So we've got all of that going on there. And we've also got, if we take a peek down in here, we can start to see even more wires getting run as TJ is making his home down here, getting all of those boxes mounted and everything else. So that's it. That is this week's update for the Back Cove 390 build for Boston Yachts. If you have any questions about this build, any of our past builds, or anything else, leave it down below in the comments, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date and in the know with all the cool things we have happening. We'll see you guys next week with another update. Peace.